Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. In this series, we will be discussing new features. All of these new features were requested by you based upon your feedback. So please, keep your comments coming.
In today's video, we will be discussing the difference between client types. That information is available to admins of the VerifyiQ account, of the Enterprise plan, and the SalesIQ plans. So right here in the box Client Type, if you click the drop-down, you can sort by active clients and potential clients. Active clients will only be available to the VerifyiQ Enterprise plan because the active clients are the clients for which you're performing a file review, hopefully on a monthly basis. The potential clients are the clients that came through the branded partner website for which you received their information for the sales process. For admins of SalesIQ, you do have the ability to search, but you will not have any active clients since you are not performing file reviews on a monthly basis. You will just have the ability to sort by potential clients. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, please let me know.